Happy Wednesday, everyone. I just have a quick grocery haul for you. It is pretty much what we'll buy this week grocery-wise. I wanted to show you what our front yard looked like yesterday after Josh came home and dug my car out. We have had winter storm warnings 2 weekends in a row now, and I am so ready for spring. It just stopped snowing, and it's almost 5 o'clock the next day. Stop at our discount store to pick up some chicken, and I asked him to check out the produce because it is so snowy and I don't want to go out. Since he was already there and we are pretty much out of everything, he ran back and looked. So this was less than $10. I don't even know exactly how much, but Honeycrisp apples were about $1 a pound. I just had him get 3, 1 because they're huge, and 2 because I didn't want him to grab a ton. Cilantro was 50 cents a bunch. Corn was 50 cents each. English cucumbers were 50 cents for a cucumber. Okay, guys, 50 cents for 3 peppers. Crazy. These were 50 cents each as well, and they're huge zucchini. $2 for this 2-pound strawberry box. And then grapes were $1 a pound. So we're less than $10. All that produce. You can see what night it is with what's in the back with what I'm going to cook. But he just got home, and I'm super excited because we had maybe a couple oranges left.